Hey guys, welcome to the channel. Let's start eating. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for joining us today. Today we have fried seafood with Cheetos.
Yes, because I don't know enough, but it looks spicy. You're going.
We've never had this before, and I've seen other people eat it, and I was like, this looks good. It's something I have to try. So we have king crab, we have shrimp, we have mussels, and we also have some fried pickles.
Yeah, I know.
And I wanted to try that too. And then we have some cheese to dip it in, and then we have some ranch to dip the Cheetos in, and some 2-time spicy and all kind of sauce.
Yeah.
But before we dig in, guys, I do want to show you my outfit of the day.
I like chocolate milk. 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 I like chocolate milk.
Black girls, where you at? Slim waist, ass fat. Black girls, where you at? Throw it back, make it clap.
We're back. You better like first lady outfit of the day, because the thing's already hot. Because I love it.
Yeah?
Oh, let's get it up. Alright, the boy eat something.
Alright, so we want to try honey. You can try it without a sauce, with sauce. We have 2-time spicy sauce. We have Chick-fil-A sauce. You know, so we love sauce. The mussel
greener.
I'm going to try the fried pickles first. This is how it looks.
Yo, food that we talking Spanish, you know? Grilled mussel, what's this, ranch sauce? Okay. I remember the last video, I was tearing down the sauce like it was blue cheese.
Does ranch taste good with seafood?
I don't know, it tastes good. Sauce is sauce.
Sauce with sauce. Did you want
Look at shrimp. One.
what's another sauce you could have dipped it in?
What's the cheese for?
You can dip this to
Oh, could I dip
the seafood in there too.
I could dip the thing with Chick-fil-A?
Yeah, you could Chick-fil-A sauce too.
Oh, I thought it was supposed to be hot.
It's hot?
Okay, no. Yeah, because you did with the Cheetos, the hot
It's
Cheetos.
flaming hot Cheetos. That's right, it's not hot.
Not hot. It's
Fine.
good. The king crab right here.
I'm a big boy.
The big boy right there.
Have you ever had fried pickles before?
I'm starting.
I've never had fried pickles either. It tastes pretty good.
Is it good?
It's like a sweet, not sweet, it's like a salty, and kind of sweet for real.
Your fried is good.
Oh, thank you. Ooh,
Dang.
that's good.
Season 2. Oh. We got that 2-time.
I wonder how that would taste with it.
I'm putting it right here. You don't want to. I'll put it right here. Person can dip some. Try with the 2-time right here and see what's going on with his hand.
I got a lady drink.
She got a lady drink today. Damn. This is king crab? Look how big that is. You know.
That's a big
beef
boy.
for greedy people.
Oh,
Oh.
I hope you guys liked our challenge that we did yesterday for you guys.
Oh man. It was a tough one.
It was a tough one.
Wow.
It felt like it took us 2 days to do it.
Oh my god. We thought. Well, you know what? I ain't gonna tell y'all. Oh, y'all watching it already, so y'all. We thought it would never pop. This is our first day reaction.
That was epic.
She was. Yo, How many? I thought first day the shit not pants when she jumping up. Or somebody was behind us.
I almost did.
Oh my gosh.
I don't know why. I've seen other videos, but I don't know why I still didn't expect for it to.
Yo, you were shocked. Like, and urine popped so much over you.
So much. Like it was just waiting to just pop, 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 pop.
Hawaiian punch, another soda. Nice enough.
Good.
Wow. So I hope you like that video, you know. It was a tough one. So if y'all want to try it, y'all just try it.
If y'all want to try it, try your own risk. Yeah, it's not easy.
It ain't easy. You show them the blister you got in your hand? You ain't show them? Oh, it went down?
I think it went down. If you do it, you get rubber bands. I mean,
get gloves. That's why she had to put on the gloves. Fat pickle ain't bad.
Okay.
Or you want some of the sauce over here?
How would it taste with it?
That's good.
Ooh.
First I'll eat fried pickle.
Me too. Ooh. Oh my god. The last time I had 2 times spicy was when we did the meatball.
First day, let me try a lot of stuff. Without first day, I would try a lot of food. Yeah. For real.
Fried pickle is good.
Yep. And don't forget, we see our request. It's coming, okay? Remember, lady? Ooh.
Coming.
Wow.
Pepper.
Yeah, man. I want to stop right there, so. See that?
It's up on you.
It's coming, huh? Let's keep watching. They coming. The cheese tastes good.
Very good. Are you hungry?
Stop. Yeah. You know I'm always ask y'all. How your day going? What y'all did? What y'all ate? You know what I'm saying? Huh?
I rub your leg now.
I know. For real? Y'all didn't eat yet? What are y'all waiting for? If you want, you have to have some too. It's a lot.
Get them some? Okay.
Yeah, give them some. Look at that. Here, 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 here. You don't want it? Okay, I take it back. Okay. You're 2 times out, you know?
Yeah.
No. King crab is good, yo. But it's expensive though.
When you're making king crab, you gotta make it wisely.
Yeah.
Okay? It ain't cheap.
Expensive.
And we do it for you guys. But for us too, because it tastes good.
I never ate king crab till the first lady let me eat it. I ate regular crab.
Oh, you know what?
Oh.
I never wanted to try king crab.
Yeah.
Until I see other mukbangers eat it. And I'm like, that looks so good.
Yep. I tell you, first let me try a lot of stuff. You know what I'm saying?
My mother, she said if she comes here, she's gonna buy a whole box. You know she loves to make seafood. Make a whole box of this.
This is seasoned.
It's good.
If you never tried this, try it. And if you want to see how she made it, comment down. Right?
Yeah.
Okay.
If you want to see how I made it, like my husband said, put a comment down. And I can make a separate video.
Yeah. Cause this is delicious. I thought it would have been peppery.
I know. I kind of wish it was though.
You know? And keto. Give it its color.
Yeah. Give it this red color.
Yeah.
But it fools you and make you think that it's spicy, but it's not.
For real, real.
You know, it's not spicy.
No question. Not spicy one bit. Yep.
It's your white meat.
White meat, not white meat, white.
Just white.
Family, look at this big piece. Look.
Wow.
Now, all king crab, huh? How much pie is this? No,
Let me
seriously.
see.
How much in there?
Like in a pound. Probably like, this is heavy.
That's heavy.
A quarter?
Quarter.
Quarter of a pound?
I don't know, but it's heavy, you know?
It's a good, that'll put a dent in your stomach.
Who want to join us? The first one calling me? It might happen. What do you think for say sure or not? Tell me who want to join us.
Woo.
Full.
Not yet. I'm full for real. I'm full.
So that,
Almost.
see, pull you up.
If you're gonna buy king crab, you may think you need a whole bunch of it.
Yeah.
One will do. Trust me, it's very meaty. Fried seafood make you drink juice.
Yeah. Don't judge me. Don't judge me, people. This is not even really a soda. It's like a strawberry lemonade.
Yeah.
This one is nice from Sunkiss. Strawberry lemonade, if you can see. It's not a soda. It's a juice. You know. I drink some juice sometime. I don't drink soda that much. I haven't drank a soda in a long time.
No.
No, seriously.
That's true.
Oh, I lie, me. I tell them I drink soda upon the. I lie.
When you drink soda?
I know. Fry from Friday.
Oh. Okay, yeah.
From Wingstop.
So we stop. Yeah. You didn't drink soda yesterday when we did the challenge.
That's what I'm saying. I didn't drink nothing. Yo, it was hot.
It was hot out there. You guys saw when I hosed Richie down? Let me tell you something.
She soaked me. I know you like that. I know you like that. I know y'all going, yes. Yes, Shanice, yes. Get him, get him, get him.
If you guys did not see that video, go check it out. I'm gonna link it up here.
Yeah.
Watch this video first and go check it out. It's very, very funny.
Yep.
We had a great time doing it.
That time.
It was almost like everybody was involved, even though they weren't, because the kids was outside.
Yeah.
They was telling us what to do.
Yep. We don't like watermelon. I know. For some reason, yes, it's watermelon, so it's not supposed to be sweet. But sometimes it's sweet, sometimes it's fresh. I just don't like it.
Yeah.
Yeah. But I'll drink the juice though. But I just don't like it. But,
I used to like watermelon.
yeah.
And then one day, my friend brought a watermelon over. And I had a piece. Probably like 10 years ago. And I felt like I was gonna
Go up.
regurgitate it. And I was like, yeah, no, it ain't gonna work. And since then, I just haven't had watermelon again.
Not me.
No, it just doesn't taste good, right?
I just don't like it. I got a good story for y'all tomorrow. I'm gonna give him a story.
Should I tell my story time? You guys want to hear a story time?
Yeah, you tell good stories, yo.
So your stories be
Hitting.
yeah. Okay, this is
First lady always got good stories.
this is the story of me being adopted.
Oh, go ahead. Tell the story. Oh,
You on your hands. Oh, you push it up somewhere?
I'm good.
Okay.
What's over here? You got all the scallop over here, girl?
Mussels.
Muscle?
Because I had set it up for
Presentation.
excuse me, for presentation. Oh, so the story of me being adopted. When I was a kid, our sisters you say things to each other to hit below the belt. When I was a kid, my sister would say, oh, you're adopted. Mommy found you on the doorstep. You're not really my sister. Daddy's really not your father. And I usually just don't pay her any mind. But as I got older, you know, now I'm 12, 13, 14. If we have an argument or if we're mad at each other, she would say that to me. So I'm like, okay, wait a minute. What's going on? So, again, I ignored her. Mind you now, I'm ignoring her. But as I'm getting older now, I'm thinking about it. I'm processing in my head, like, is this true? Yeah. You know? Because you guys don't know my sister. We look very different. My sister looks like my mother, and I look like my father. I'm short. My sister's tall. I'm 5'4". My sister's like 6 feet.
Yeah.
Okay? And so, we look very different. So, as a kid, you probably saying to yourself, well, damn, maybe she's telling the truth.
For real.
So, I was 26 years old. I'll never forget. My sister and I got into an argument. I don't know what it was about. I forgot. But I remember her saying to me on the phone, and that's why you're adopted. And daddy is not even your father. He's not your father. You're adopted. And I cursed her out, hung up the phone on her, went to Richie and said, honey, she said I'm adopted. She said I'm adopted. I'm 26 years old, guys. 26. And Richie said, no, that's not true. Don't pay your sister any mind. She's just upset. I said, no, I'm calling my mommy.
Snitch.
So I called my mother. And I said, mommy. She's like, hello? I said, mommy. Mommy. And she's like, Shanice, what's wrong with you? And I said, you tell me right now. You tell me right now. And don't you lie to me. You tell me right now, mommy. Am I adopted?
She can't cry. She can't bawl. Love bawl. Go on, talk.
I said, you tell me right now, mommy, right now, am I adopted? Is daddy really not my father? He's not my father. You tell me right now. Now, a little backstory. My sister told me that at the age when I was 26, right? Remember, she said this to me before, but as I got older, I'm processing now. I'm using my brain more. And if you guys know, I've told this story before, my father passed away when I was 7 years old. So anything involving my father, I'm very protective. Like, don't talk about my dad, don't say nothing about him. I don't care who you are, I will fight you. It's going to be a problem. And my mother, but because my father died, it's like a whole different, right? So when she said about my dad, that I'm not my father's child, I'm like, so wait a minute, so who the hell is my father? Yeah. So my mother said, calm down. I mean, I'm telling you, I'm bawling on the phone. I could barely talk. You ever have that kind of cry where you're like, right? My mother said, Shanice, calm down. What's wrong with you? Who looks like your father? I was like, me.
You. Still a ball. Still a ball, you know?
I was like, me. She said, who has your father's nose? Who has your father's eyes? You have your father's fingernails. You look just like your father, Shanice. What's wrong with you? And I was like, you're right. I do look like daddy. I do.
You look just like her dad.
I look just like my father. My mother had to call my sister on three-way. And she's like, Charnette, I don't care what you and your sister have. You do not say that to your sister anymore. You've been saying that since she was younger. Enough. Don't say it anymore. You have her over there crying, acting like she don't have no freaking sense.
Family. When she cries, she cries. She cries for everything.
I'm emotional, okay?
She will see something on TV. And she watching it, and when she's quiet, you know what I'm saying? I said, you over there crying? She's like, no, but I know she's over there crying. You know what I'm saying? She always, I could know when she's crying. She could just watch the simplest thing, and it's a little sad part, she start bawling. Bawl too much, man.
I'm full, honey, love.
Bally. You know what I'm doing?
I'm full.
I'm full, see fully up there. Look at this king crab, I didn't even get to it though. I'll get to it tomorrow. Or later. Up tomorrow. Don't worry.
It's always good to try different stuff.
Yeah.
Oh my
Don't
God.
forget, we always appreciate y'all. You know that. Thanks for watching. Thanks for us sharing our food to you. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share the thing when I stop going someone. You reach that far, share the thing, man. Share it up, man. And tell somebody if you tell somebody if you tell somebody if you tell somebody if you know somebody.
For real.
Go on, First Lady.
I know that there are millions of YouTubers out there, and we appreciate you taking the time to watch us. You guys have a great day, and we will see you next time for another mukbang.
Bye.